Welcome, everyone. Here's Corey from the Empathic Way Europe team. You can find us on empathiceurope.com. And today I'm here in behalf of the Time for Empathy Week, which is starting soon on Sunday, the 7th of March, 2022. And it's a week full of workshops, free workshops you can join. There's normally no recording, so it's really a week to come live and dive in and experience what is there to be experienced in the moment and in the group and in the space that is shared. And today I want to introduce you to Vega Moon. And yeah, I just met her. We just had a short chat before, and yeah, you're going to propose some movement action, like some movement experience. And I want to thank you already for your proposal, for your offering, for your time and the space you're going to share with the participants, whoever's going to sign up. And I would love to know from you, what is your heart calling you? Why do you do the work that you do? Maybe you share some words about that.
Yes. Thank you for offering this opportunity. I feel very grateful and excited to share, because for me, MVC and movement has been like my both wings. So they were complementing and supporting each other. So sometimes when I was not really able to process with MVC process, or when it's incomplete, I could go through my body and I could really feel that in my body, and it was helping me to come back to process that. And sometimes I was connecting through my body, and then I could deeply go into my feelings and needs, what I really want, and there was acceptance and all the empowerments where healing arises. So for me, those are the most precious moments too. And movement or dancing gave me almost same effect of MVC, but just we use our body. So I want to develop this method more and more connected to body, with feelings and movements and needs through our body and movement and dancing.
Yes, thank you. I love it, because for me, like, nonviolent communication and MVC is a language of the senses of the body. I mean, you cannot, so it's really supporting and really meaningful also to be more connected in different ways to your body and to get the support to get deeper into the process. So do you want to share a few words what's going to happen? You will have your workshop on Sunday, the 13th of March at 9:45 Central European Time, and it's called Move Your Feelings, Dance Your Needs. You want to share what's going to happen so that people can get curious? And
yes. So first we will taste how we feel our feelings in our body, and that's purely subjective inner experience, basically. Also, we will see, so when I feel angry, how do I feel? Or when I feel happy, how do I feel? Through our body and in our body. And try to bring more body sensations or body awareness literacy as we have feelings and needs list. So we can more sense what's really happening and also connect it to feelings. So sometimes it's difficult to feel our emotions as they are, so we can connect to our body, and that anchors us somehow, and it helps us to feel our feelings more easier. So we will do that, so we can explore our feelings with our body sensations, and after we can find our needs also through body, how those needs are alive in our body, and we can create, or we can allow our body to move with that needs. So that dance happens not from our mind, but from our body truly connected to our needs. So it can be maybe big movement, or it can be a very small and subtle movement, but more really trying to connect. And from there, our body can move. Just we allow to move. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you. Yes, and if people, thank you for sharing. And yeah, for me, it's a really, I mean, it's such an important tool to, yeah. So I invite everyone to participate to this workshop. And if people want to stay connected to you, is there also a possibility? Do you offer some things where people can stay also after Time for Empathy, have the chance to stay connected?
Yes, maybe I can share my mail address or WhatsApp numbers.
Yes.
Because I usually do offline, but also I'm willing to try online sessions.
Yes.
Yes, online group sessions and online curriculums. So not only 1.5 hour session to explore more deeply each feelings with our body or different needs. So I'm thinking of making that program as well.
Nice. So maybe it can be the the inspiration to do some online. And also for all the people who want to join you offline, you're based in Auroville in India. So all the people from India and in the, or in the surrounding, I mean, it's big, but in the surrounding of Auroville would be able to connect with you. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, and see you again. See you on the 13th of March in Time for Empathy. Feel your feelings, dance your needs. Move your feelings, dance your needs. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Corey. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.